Hey everyone, welcome to day number 16 of the 30-day meditation journey. I am so grateful that you are here. If you are just joining us, go back to day number 1 for an introduction. Of course, you can start this journey at any time, or you can do it over and over again, whatever is going to work for you. And no big deal if you've missed a day. Don't worry about that. Just keep going. Be as consistent as you can. I know that we get busy and sometimes we just can't fit it in, but do your best. Do what you can. And even if it's 5 minutes of meditation before you get out of bed, then that's perfectly fine, because you are building a strong meditation foundation, and that is important. So just a couple of things. I do have 2 online workshops. They are pre-recorded. You have unlimited access to them. I'll leave the link in the description box below. One's on self-love and the other is on meditation, if you want to do a deeper dive into meditation. So check that out. Otherwise, you can go to my website at lovealchemywellness.ca. So let's get started on meditating. Get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for about 10 minutes. And you can sit up, you can lie down. Just make sure that you are comfortable and that you have that time for yourself. You've carved out that time for yourself, because this is important and this is for you. So take a deep breath in and exhale out. Take another deep breath in and exhale out. And continue to breathe normally through your nose and out your nose. Not rushing, just allowing your breath to flow in and out. Beginning to relax your body, starting at the top of your head. And with every breath, you just continue to move your way down your body, down your face and your head. And then your throat and your neck. Continuing to breathe. Down across your shoulders and your upper back. Down your arms, your wrists and your hands into your fingertips. Continue to breathe, allowing that breath to flow across your chest, down into your torso, and into your lower back, your hips, your pelvic area, your buttocks. Just allowing everything to relax, everything to release with every breath. Your muscles, your tendons, your organs, your bones, your cells. Allow that breath to move across your legs, your upper legs, and the backs of your thighs, your knees, shins, calves. Just allowing that breath to flow across your body, to relax your muscles, your tendons, Allow that breath to flow across your ankles and your feet and into your toes. Now continue with the breath. Work your way back up. This time you will be scanning your body parts, scanning your body for any sensations starting at the tip of your toes. With every breath, just continue to scan, and when you feel a sensation or a thought or an emotion, discomfort or pleasure, just stop for a moment. Just observe it for what it is and breathe into it, allowing your breath to flow, intending the breath to be healing. And keep moving your way up your body, stopping at any sensations, any discomfort. Any emotion or thought that might come up. Just observe, understand. Continue to breathe, moving your way up your body, paying attention, observing, and then releasing. Inhale and exhale. Just take your time. Take your time to understand. Take your time to breathe, to relax, to understand the sensations. Allowing the breath to flow. Continue to move your way up the body. Back up the torso and the back and the chest. Continue to breathe as you move your way back up the body. Stopping at any sensation, good or bad. Continue with your breath. Continue up through the face and the head, right into the crown of the head. Releasing, breathing, allowing the breath to flow and heal. Understanding. Body, mind, soul. Continue to breathe. Now you can continue to scan for a little bit longer if you like. If you feel your body needs it, needs further release, needs further observation, then continue to do so. If you're ready to come out, just bring your awareness back into the space, back into the room, back into your body. Continue to breathe, allowing your body some time to readjust. And then when you are ready, rub your hands together and place your hands over your eyes. Open your eyes and remove your hands. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Just releasing. Thank you for being here. Namaste.